Welcome to Law News at LawTube. To begin with the law news on Wednesday, 20th May 2020, anticipatory bail is maintainable even after an accused is declared absconder. The Gwalior bench of the Madhya Pradesh High Court has observed the declaration of an accused as an absconder under Section 82 of CRPC does not preclude him from filing an application for seeking anticipatory bail and held that no bar can exist against a person seeking anticipatory bail. Giving an interpretation of this ruling, the bench of Justice Anand Phatak emphasized that the judgment does not talk about maintainability of anticipatory bail application after a person is declared absconder, but it merely suggests that the absconder loses entitlement to bail. Elaborating on this aspect, the court said, according to Apex Court, a person who is proclaimed offender under Section 82 and 83 of the CRPC loses the sheen on merit to seek anticipatory bail. His application deserves dismissal on merit if he is declared an absconder under Section 82 of CRPC, but application is certainly maintainable. The court then pointed out that Section 82 and 83 of CRPC are transient, interim, provisional in nature and subject to proceedings under Section 84 to 86 of CRPC. It thus held valuable rights of personal liberty of an individual, at least to seek anticipatory bail, cannot be curtailed. Therefore, on this count also, application under Section 438 of CRPC is maintainable even if a person has been declared as proclaimed offender in terms of Section 82 of the CRPC. The court reinforced the importance of personal liberty of an individual in terms of Gurbaksh Singh Sibbiya and versus another versus State of Punjab AR 1980 Supreme Court 1632 and held that an application for anticipatory bail is maintainable until a person is arrested. Coming to the fact of the case, the court noted that the superintendent of police had only declared a bounty on arrest of the applicant herein, and no process under Section 82 of CRPC was issued. In this context, the court observed, in the present case, proceeding under Section 82 of the CRPC are not giving effect to it as per case diary, and only cash award of rupees 5,000 by superintendent of police has been declared. Said factor can certainly be an important consideration while declaring anticipatory bail application, but not having overriding effect to create a bar for filing anticipatory bail application. Therefore, in the consideration of opinion of this court, even if the police authority has declared award or prepared Ferrari Panchanama, even then anticipatory bail application is maintainable. However, it is to be seen on merit that whether that application deserves to be considered and allowed as per the factor enumerated in section 438 of the CRPC itself, and if any of those factors are not satisfied, then the court certainly has discretion to reject it. The said discretion has been given by Constitutional Bench decision of Honorable Apex Court in the case of Gurbaksh Singh Sibba. The applicant by accused has been charged with alleged offences punishable under Section 376, 386, 506 of IPC. It was the case of the prosecutrix that on the pretext of marriage, rape had been committed by the applicant, who is also allegedly married to someone else. The court, however, noted that both the prosecutrix and the applicant were mature and had tried to reach to a compromise. As submitted, both the parties earlier tried to settle the matter by filing petition under section 482 of CRPC bearing number 930 of 2020. Therefore, both matured individuals waited the consequences of their decision and both lived some days together comfortably, the court noted. In these circumstances, the court relied on the Supreme Court ruling in Pramod Suryabhan Pawar versus State of Maharashtra and others, AIR 2019, Supreme Court 410, and it held Consensual proximity of body and soul cannot be used as a weapon to wreak vengeance at a later point of time when body and soul drift apart. In the above mentioned case, also, the top court had held that if the physical intimacy is developed on the pretext of marriage, then the same does not constitute offense of rape. Accordingly, the court allowed the anticipatory bail plea without expressing any opinion on the merit of the case, on the accused furnishing personal bond in the sum of rupees 1 lakh to the satisfaction of arresting authority by investigation officer and downloading the Arigya Setu app. So that's all in today's law news at LawTube. If you have enjoyed LawTube video, please don't forget to like and share them. For more similar law news videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel LawTube. See you again on next video.